Boom! My pretty people. Right now I'm ready to go meet up with Yarrow and roll with Yarrow and I'll link up with Sean and I'm gonna go on bike club. I'm gonna shoot some video and thing. You know it goes, see me? Yes, just link up with your.
Yes, sir. We outside today.
Oh God, me, sir, Nessa.
We already know what time it is.
Where I go?
To the lot today. Get some action.
What? What the fuck?
Some footages.
Pull up by lot. You see me? The point where I go pick up Sean now. You see me? Like on the day. No. So.
Chev right now. I'm about to go pick up Sean, get the drone and everything out there.
Pull up, yo. Hurry up.
Alright, man.
Pull up.
Alright, I'm gonna get up there a little bit.
Alright. Hold it, man. Fuck! Put this shit away, man.
How would I? DJ Sean Stars.
DJ.
Yes, man. Chef. What's good, y'all boys?
What's good, bro?
Yes. Alright, you know where I roll
So
up.
who going out there, Harold?
Biggie's already over there.
Deem said he was gonna pull up.
Deem said he's gonna pull up.
He can ride in this since he lost his hat.
Let's got the Slick sticker on there. He's ready. Goated and everything.
How many batteries you got, Chef?
One. Need to buy more batteries. I know, bro. I left the house, that shit was at 96. Right now, that shit is at what? I think 89. That's crazy. I hope on the battery in there too. I need to fix things. This nigga. Yeah, I got gas.
Put some fuel in it. Peeking everywhere.
This nigga in that truck, sit down.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
How are you, man? Damn, bro, what are you in there go?
Yeah.
The tropical system cuts a path of destruction through the Caribbean. Watches and warnings are now posted along Florida's Gulf Coast, where there's the chance it could strengthen a bit again.
Yep, so now we have to turn around. Because somebody there never checked the weather. She said the storm are far away.
I guess
That's why I said early.
Yeah, Sean did say early.
I said go early, bro.
Niggas ain't want to get up at like 7, brother.
You go in at 7? Perfect. So you done had a hell of time. You'd have been leaving now.
Tight shit.
Yeah, you'd have been leaving now type shit. I was going to be trying to be out there all day.
Get this shit off before this motherfucking rain coming.
Storms are coming!
Yeah. Oh my god, why you not at work, bro? Whoa. Wait. Why he ain't come help us? Alright. Fuck it, the rain came. Me but the rain come back and lay. So